behalf of Father Morris and family, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all. We gather here today to celebrate a milestone birthday for a very special person. I personally have been blessed to know Father Morris as a faithful and giving person. And I know that he is a blessing to all that know him. So Father Morris, in you, God's purpose is being fulfilled. Your loved ones surround you, and I'm sure they agree that you deserve this celebration, and you have earned this wonderful occasion. As God adds life to your years, may He add many more years to your life. May He continue to honor your steps and fill your heart with His abundant love. Happy 50 years young, happy half a century of life, and happy birthday. Prestigious guests, family and friends, join me in celebrating tonight, and let's make new memories and enjoy this jubilant time. Thank you.
lele